So ano pa? Whiteboard.chat. Pamilya nini, Microsoft Whiteboards live with friends. So these are the classroom technology. Pamilya nini yung mga magugwaktil. Teachers jeopardize. This is quiz game. Puzzle, Microduino. Damo ini niyo nga pwede niyo ma-explore. Ozobot, Blocklet, Blocklet, a web-based quiz platform that into competitive activities. So mga platform ini online. Oo nga pwede niyo magamit. O they have AI-powered educational technology tools for teachers, students, and educational games adapted. Pwede niya magamit. Chatbot, educational games, and adaptive learning platforms. May ChatGPT, nakatagin information, real-time feedback, real-time ba, pagkatagin, hino nagamit hiniay. Learning anytime, anywhere, pwede, basta may cellphone ka, may data, may signal. Okay. Napag-iiay, magamit kita gihapin AI haton classroom. So, the importance of integrating in the technology in the classroom, both collaboration, personalized learning, connecting learners to teacher, enhance learning outcomes, improve productivity, engaging learning experience, creating inclusive. Kaya kung ang bata, pwede include different learning style, better communication, and creativity. Technology rules for the classroom. Teacher should clearly explain the rules of technology, set up, usage, and clean up. So, dapat ma-istorya niyo. Kung magamit ka mo niya, set and rules, nagagamitin na ini para nini. Dini kay. Next, have technology policy, give explicit and monitor students. Next. Okay, they same and dito. Then, what does technological integration mean in education? Why is it important to integrate technology? Using classroom calendar, digital story, flip classroom, gather student feedback. So these are the strategies. Insight and takeaways. Ayaw na lang ito, kayo na niyo. This is for the learning resources. As we conclude the insightful session, remember the importance of continuously aligning our teaching practices with ID framework. What is ID? Instructional design framework to ensure we provide the best possible educational experience to the learner. The lesson plan dapat naka-anchor din sa ID framework as the main learning resource. Ensure the seamless transition between different stages to incorporating technology and principle of the Matatag framework. So, complete ang synthesis. Picturing ang utro pagbasa. Tika man siya ang kumatapik na sunod din. From the framework to the IDF to the technology, learning resources. Okay. Hanga-hanga ka, no?